Welcome back to Technological Heritage. Call this Tinker Update number 2 on the Sears coldspot 28 dehumidifier. Got it all cleaned up, obviously dried out. Everything back installed, or installed back in place. Much cleaner. That is rust staining, that does not come off. I got most of the dust off. There's very thin layer that I'm not going to worry about. Get the fan installed. Start relay. And yeah, this is all pretty crusty, this wiring. So it's definitely going to need replaced. I think you can still buy new connectors, which if this proves to work well enough, maybe I'll spend money on a new connector, although I want to try just replacing the wires first. Yeah, here it is, and I clean up the switch. So now it's nice and not squeaky and it's smooth. You can move it with your finger, just kind of rolling it along. And let's see here. Here is the bucket. That's the front of the bucket. In fact, I'll put this in right now. We're gonna fire this sucker up and see if it creates some condensate. I have the kilowatt over there and we'll investigate that. Let's fire it up right now. Oh, wrong way. Okay, it's running, and yes, I know. Shouldn't really run this thing with the shroud off. I'm not gonna do it for super long. I just want to check. Yeah, that's already getting cold. That's a good sign. Yep. Okay, that's getting cold. I run over to the kilowatt here. If I run it too long without the shroud, and I'll put the shroud back on. This video is probably gonna have some splices in it. So, 118 volts, 5.2 amps, 391 watts. It's fluctuating. And 60 hertz, which I would hope. Yeah. They're just going. Sorry, the garage is a bit of a mess because I have been working on this thing. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Yeah, blows air out the back, and then there's kind of a shroud that brings it back around over the compressor and out this way. Sucks air in through here, and that's why all this is just absolutely disgusting. And yeah, that's icing up, so let me cut the video here, get the top back on, and I'll report back when it's condensating, hopefully. And we have condensate. I repeat, we have condensate. See the coils? They're all, well, covered in condensation. And if you look down there, there's a little stream of water going down into the collection tank, and there's your water shutoff thing again. And as I said before, the air gets sucked in through here and gets blown out here. There isn't really any fancy guides or anything. The air just kind of makes its way out here. It seems to work well enough. It's a nice steady breeze of warm air. There's the compressor back there. And I'll show the actual switch. You can see it's nice and smooth now. Keep it there. Gonna do a little walk around to this. Sides and the back of this thing. It literally is just a brown box. A brown metal box that happens to remove moisture from the air. And I'll take one more look at the kilowatt here. 117.6 volts. 5.92 amps and 522 watts. Hertz is obviously 60. So, how we're doing on kilowatts? That's my charging cord. I think with that, I know people like when refrigeration units are shut off to hear the refrigerant flowing, so I guess I'll do that now. And then we'll end the video, so I gotta shut her down. That's the noise of the refrigerant, and it just kind of slowly quiets down. But yeah, that's really about it. I think I showed this already, but there we go. It's the tag. So yeah, maybe more of this to come in the future. This unit is obviously worthy of more attention since it wants to work. So maybe I'll do a showcase when it's a bit more presentable. I'm not sure. Need some metal work and stuff, and I could do that. Has a nice crease on the top. So yeah, I think that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.